about my research evaluation of the use of Kedusia RSM app based on Android by family caregiver in the community. This is my profile. I am a founder Kedusia RSM app based on Android, and this is my social media and ID about Scholars, Scopus, Orchid, and ResearchGate. We know in Indonesia, the gadgets that are widely used today are smartphones. As much as 68.7% of the population. And we know smartphone as a communication tool, electronic media that can be used to obtain and disseminate health information is one of the educational facilities package in the form of health application. Yes. Based on my research in 2019, there is a 354 elderly people in Jakarta. It is known that 56.5% of the elderly have risk of dementia based on HVLT screening tests. And we know the risk of dementia will continue to increase with age. This is the graphic for the risk of dementia will continue to increase with age. For the age more than 8 years old, there is 73.1% have a risk of dementia. A survey of 30 families in a community health center in Jakarta found that most all families use an Android or smartphone and have special funds to buy data package. And most of the families state that the application of health was very important. The reason for the family to open an application is because of curiosity, more simpler than books, more interesting and easy to read, and have health problems that need to be known, and for pleasure or prevent stress. This is based on my research in 2021. Elderly people with dementia have cognitive decline and other abilities that interfere with daily life. So they need someone to help them to carry out their daily activities, we know as a family. The impact of dementia as well as the length of time needed for elderly dementia care has a high risk of causing stress and burden on the families who care for them. This is a WHO policy about dementia action plan areas to support for dementia carriers. WHO launched about eye support for dementia, and in Indonesia the depth in bahasa. The information system for dementia as one of the action plan area. So why I develop app about Kedusia RSM, stand for Keluarga Peduli Demensia Raden Siti Mariam. That's my name, or Raden Siti Mariam's Family Cares for Dementia. This Android application has been used since 2022 and can be downloaded on Play Store until now by all people in Indonesia who have an internet network, of course. Kedusia RSM apps is not only used for the adults, but all people can access this application because this application can also prevent and control risk factor of dementia. This application is a part of the Android-based Raden Siti Mariam Family Nursing Model Caring for Dementia. And in the app, Family Nursing Intervention based on an Android application that focus on the problem of dementia risk for elderly with a family healthcare task approach, where the family will carry out care management, maintenance, and monitoring independently via Android. This is my feature in the app for the login menu, and there is demographic and health history data for family and older adults. The family can fill about the data and health history. In the app, there is a manual book about to running the app, and my app has intellectual property right certificate from the official government in Indonesia. For the families and older adults menu, as a user, there is a families menu, how to know about dementia, articles about video interactive about how to know about dementia, and video how to know about the risk factor of dementia, and the article about the stage of dementia, and article about how to prevent the risk of dementia, and article about how to communicate with the elderly with the cognitive impairment, and the video about the skills of family to care of elderly with the risk factor of dementia. And the menu for the elderly, there is a cognitive stimulation for the elderly, and a game, how to guess the picture, the vegetable. This is a game, guessing game, yes. And there is a workbook schedule and skill content in app as monitoring. We call about the workbook. The family caregiver can fill in the item here, 18 item to do the to care about their elderly. This is the item, and family can upload the documentation about each item in here. This is an article about cognitive stimulation, games, feature, and interactive video in my app. The method, the study use survey descriptive for family caregiver who caring for elderly at home. Stratified random sampling used with the result of 83 respondents at Bekasi, West Java in 2023. And this is the result about the app's evaluation by family caregiver from the 15 item for the evaluation for my app. The family caregiver said that Android application is very easy to install and run, and display or interface design is interesting, and the material presented is appropriate and complete, and the video in the application menu is easy to open, and the video content in the Android application is interesting, clear, easy to remember, see and hear, and the menus in the application are easy to open and in accordance with the aim of reducing risk factor for dementia in the elderly. And the next evaluation, the Android application can improve the knowledge, attitudes, and skill of families in caring for the elderly. And the Android application is very interesting and challenging with games. And the Android application can be used for learning facilities between the elderly and the families. And the Android application is complete with a consultation and answer feature with WhatsApp. And overall, the application is easy to use and interesting to reopen and not be boring. This application has many benefits as a tool for health promotion or health education related to how to recognize and prevent dementia from an early age. And this application can be used by older adults themselves and the families who have elderly. So it is very helpful for caring for other adults who are at risk of dementia. This Android application will continue to be developed, especially how families can carry out early detection of dementia. And it's hoped that there will be additional features and can be based on iOS 2. Older adults and their families can operate the application via smartphone together, but there are obstacles when there are network problems. Okay, thank you for your attention. Evaluation can help to improve and enhance quality.